Alright, Learning Machines, welcome to this video. This is a massive video because it's the end of the month. It's 30 days at the end of the month here of June. And I'm making this video right now to show you guys, some inspiration and some motivation for you guys that making money online is very real. You can make a lot of money online. This is one of my biggest months ever on Max Bounty and Crack Revenue and even this platform called Sell Health. And I'm not going to show other platforms like, that I'm doing with Tripwire funnels and collecting payments through Stripe and stuff because I have to blur out so much, okay? But let me refresh real quick. Boom! So, literally, guys, crazy. And that's $158,000 this month, and that's just free traffic, okay? That's from a YouTube channel, massive YouTube channel. It took me years to build up. It's passively getting hundreds of thousands of views per day, which I basically link to very smart in a very unique way, which I do teach, okay, inside programs and for free and everything like that. But in a very unique way, I promote these freaking CPA offers. So you could do the same thing. I'm no different. If you've ever struggled to make money online like I have before, just know that you're on the right track because I'm teaching you guys literally gold here in all my videos and stuff, and you could literally crush it, okay? And so there you go. That's that much money. Let's keep going to a Crack Revenue here. Okay, this is an adult network. This is paid ads. This is 3 to 5x ROIs. It varies each day. Okay, that's $139,000. Let me refresh real quick. Boom, boom. Okay, I thought it would refresh faster. Okay, yeah. So $139,000 just from adult marketing. That's pretty crazy, right? And like all these offers work, by the way, just to throw it out there, just to let you know, like all these offers here, they work. I mean, they convert. And I talk about each one specifically in different videos on the channel, but you guys can absolutely crush it, okay? Adult marketing is one of the easiest forms of marketing. And I would actually be willing to say adult marketing is easier than doing the YouTube sweepstakes. It took me a long time to build that up for free traffic, okay? This is paid traffic. This is super easy. I have a lot of students, a lot of clients who are making money with adult marketing. It's just so cheap. I mean, it's like not strict at all and all this stuff, okay? And there's endless traffic for it, okay? It just never ends, okay? So it's crazy. All right, now let's go to this platform here, okay? This is called Sell Health. Let me refresh real quick. Boom! What the? Yeah, it doesn't even like refresh very well. Like, it literally doesn't even like reload the screen. Let me do it again. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it doesn't even like, you could go check it out. Like literally it doesn't reload the whole screen. It just literally stays the same basically, even though I'm pressing refresh. All right, whatever. So this is called Sell Health, and I've literally made $83,000 this month so far. Last month, June 10th was the payout. Well, basically it was this month, but basically last month's pay was $63,000. This is paid ads. I'm promoting some of the top offers here on this platform, and I do talk about which ones they are. They're right here. Semenax is the main one, and some of this one right here in my back end. That's it, okay? And my retargeting and stuff like that with adult marketing. Very powerful. These offers convert like wildfire. You can actually do content marketing, promote these super well, guys. I do talk about this in another video. You guys can absolutely crush it, okay? I mean, Nutra offers and health offers, they convert like wildfire, okay?